Hi, I'm Robert Bennett, Business Development Manager for Rearo. Rearo's got 25 years manufacturing experience with our headquarters in Glasgow. We've also got 6 showrooms up and down the country. Our main areas of manufacture are for healthcare, travel, retail and education. Examples of our current customers include the McDonald's restaurant chain, where we supply front of house panel, decorative panels, toilet cubicles, IPS systems and vanity pods. Also Glasgow City Council for the education side, where we supply toilet cubicle sets, again IPS panels and anything else to do with the education furniture side that they require. Bühne has been designed for large commercial applications such as airports, hospitals, retail, fast food outlets, anywhere with high volumes of traffic. We've been working in very close partnership with America, and especially their head of European design, who's come up with a very exciting range of decors. For more information on the Bühne range, please don't hesitate to get in touch.